Oke guys, nah kita kedatangan tamu mobil Innova Zenix G Hybrid. Di sini kita ada pemasangan power backdoor plus kick sensor, kamera 360 3D Pro, kita tanpa menggantikan head unit bawaannya. Yang ketiga kita ada pemasangan Retract Spion. Jadi buka pintu dan nutup pintu, spion itu sudah auto. Ini kita menggunakan yang ori Toyota, jadi pemasangan semua plug and play. Kemudian kita pasang blind spot monitor untuk di mobil Innova Zenix ini.
Stuck in my mistakes. You're my worst habit to break. No, there's not a day where I don't wish I could say you are the love of my life. I won't mess it up this time. You are the love of my life. Give me one more chance tonight. Before things didn't go right, now I pay the price. It's keeping me up at night. I still see you like a ghost in my room. Now I know the truth.